So, I am Dali Jasmine M. Just call me Jas. So, I'm recording this video because I want to improve my skills in, in communication skills, like in speaking. So, that's the purpose of this video lang. Then,
question number 2. What do you do in your free time?
so what do I do in my free time? So in my free time, I'm going to like clean my room, and another thing is like watching movies, cartoons in YouTube. And sometimes I do love cooking.
Okay. Number 3. Who is your best friend and why?
So actually I have 4 best friends here in MS Maguindanao. Their names their names is Hanifa, Sahara, Angela, and Samra. Then so I just met them here in school, especially in, like, we're the same in course, so that's why we met. That's why when we met.
Number 4. What is your favorite food and why?
My favorite food is I have 2 favorite foods, like the one is chocolates, and then the other one is spicy foods, like spicy seafoods. Then in chocolate, I love like Kit Kat chocolate, which is some chocolate that is having a crunchy textures.
Number 4. The last question. If you could have one superpower, what would it be and why?
If I could have one superpower, it could be having a power to like make that is something like in the Encantadia, which is the powers of the Naya, because his powers is about life. It's about life of a like, for example, it's life of the environment, especially in environment, like especially in the here in our environment, like mga flowers, trees, and like an agriculture power, so that, like that, something like a power that is, or superpower that can bring life to the plants and all, because I want and I love greeny environment. That's all.